All right, guys, you guys come inside and take a tour with me, and please don't forget to subscribe. So we're here in Duluth, and got a listing right there on the left. And I'm telling you, this neighborhood's hot. The funny thing is, there haven't been that many that have sold in this neighborhood, but there's a reason why, because they're newer. 2012. The average number of years that a homeowner lives in their house these days is 10 years. So we might start seeing more homes pop up on the market in this neighborhood, but we've only had 3 in the last year, and one of them being mine popping up on the market. So it should be interesting to see the movement in this neighborhood as time goes on. Great neighborhood to live in, very conscientious and communicative HOA. The landscaping in this place is well done. All the homeowners take care of their homes. This is a gated community with swim and tennis, and you just can't go wrong. There's a lot to be looked for, sought after in this neighborhood. Also for the location is absolutely superb. It's right off of Old Peachtree Road, close to Sugarloaf Parkway, so close to exit 109. And this neighborhood is all the homes are 4-sided brick. So I mean, this is the utmost best quality of homes that you can ask for in Duluth. And new construction's harder and harder to come by. So for 2012 built in the heart of Duluth, this is the place to be. So you can't go wrong. And I'm just doing a tour here, giving you guys a snapshot of what the entire community looks like. I love these 2 homes right here in front of me. Got a little playground there on the left. The swimming pool next to it has a clubhouse, so it's a really good place for families. Families love this place. Good school district, Peachtree Ridge School Cluster, top schools, top ratings, and you've got plenty of opportunity as far as building business relationships and friendships with your neighbors. So I mean, this is a great place to live. Tim Trevathan Homes with VPR, and we're in Duluth, Georgia, and we're at the Lakes at Sugarloaf community right off of Sugarloaf Parkway, and we're about to check out this house behind me. You guys come follow me. And I just want to give a little more information about this house and this community and where it's at. So this house sold or is about to sell for $625,000, and I just want to show you guys what this house looks like in terms of what that price has to offer. Now, as far as this neighborhood, the Lakes at Sugarloaf, it's located on Sugarloaf Parkway, exit 108 off of Interstate 85. Great location. It's only about 5 or 6 minutes from the Interstate. Very easy on and off from the Interstate to get access to go to the airport and downtown, and north of here to northern Georgia. So great place. The school districts are also good. And also in terms of livability, you've got great amenities here. A lot of families live in this community. There's swim and tennis courts, swimming pool and tennis courts. So it's just great all around for families. In terms of this house itself, this is a 5-bedroom, 4.5 bathroom house, 4,840 square feet. It's built in 2012. It's sitting on 0.25 acres. So you can kind of get a feel for it as we do this tour. I'm excited to show you guys, and just let me know in the comment section what you think. All right, so now we're here in the kitchen. Just wanted to have you guys pay attention here for a couple things. So this is a granite countertop that's quite the nice countertop. Depending on who you go to as far as granite companies, they have different grades, different rankings of their granite, different qualities. I kind of like to look at it as a letter grade because that's where I went to get my granite countertops in my first home. And so A through H, something like that, A being the lowest quality, H being the highest quality. These I would say are probably like an F, maybe a G. So these are top tier quality, as well as the backsplash. So this is like a tier 3, a higher quality backsplash. And also here you got the shaker cabinets. Okay, that's also a common type of cabinet. And it's the good kind, it's not hollow. And then you got the 50-50 sink bowl, or one is a little bit smaller. There it is. And then you got a gas stove here. So gas, electric, some come with electric, others come with gas. I'd also say it's about 50-50 when it comes to what's included in the home. I'm gonna take you guys over here to the back outside. This is the sunroom. All right, enclosed deck space. So this homeowner enclosed it. It wasn't originally like this, but it was covered. So it was covered, but it wasn't enclosed. It is a great spot for hanging out, maybe not in this heat here in the summer, but fall, spring, great place to be, to just chill, hang out, read a book. They had a TV here, so it was a great place for hosting. Beautiful, beautiful place with a pergola. So this is also a feature that you don't often find. In fact, in this neighborhood, Lakes at Sugarloaf, this may be one of the only pergolas. So great feature to have. And also they got a stone fireplace. You can check it out right here. Woo, it's hot outside. Even though I've been inside for a few minutes, I'm already sweating in here. Anyway, we're here on the upper level and we're about to peer into the master bedroom. And this is one room that I definitely want to highlight in this price point. You got the vaulted ceilings, quite a bit of space here. So you could do a king size bed with side tables, plenty of furniture, dresser, whatnot. Even here they had a sitting room. So great space, great sunlight coming through. As we go over here, you can see the bathroom. So there is a double vanity, granite countertops, plenty of mirror space, probably like a tier 3 type of cabinetry, so higher quality wood. You've got the garden tub as well as the stand-up shower. The other thing to highlight is the closet space is quite good here. So it's a walk-in closet, plenty of room, I think, for both husband and wife. In this, as far as this year built, 2012, you're gonna see typically this kind of space. Not all homes will be in this year built, but for this home it is. So this is a decent amount of space for a walk-in closet. Here's some more shelving here. And yeah, that's the master bathroom and bedroom. So that was the master bathroom and bedroom. And now we're gonna go over here to this guest bedroom. And one feature I wanna highlight about this particular room is the bathroom that's in it. It's attached, it's full. That means there's a bathtub with a toilet and sink. And in this price point, you can expect to see something like this. Having a bathroom on the upper level typically will be one that is a standalone bathroom shared between 3 other bedrooms, 2 or 3 other bedrooms. In this particular home, in this price point, you can expect to see this where you have an actual separate bathroom just for this bedroom. So that can add a little bit of versatility in terms of the family. If there's one child that wants to have their own bathroom, or you have somebody that needs to come here as a guest, they have their own bathroom. There's a little more privacy involved. So in this price point, you can see something like that you might not find in the lower price points. All right, so we saw the main level and upper level. You know I can't forget to talk about the basement level or the terrace. Terrace kind of has a better sound to it, doesn't it? Well, here we are. This is the terrace and it is finished, okay? In this price point, you're gonna oftentimes see a finished basement. Now, one thing I wanna make clear, usually you'll see a finished basement in this price point, but not always will you get this kind of thing right here. Come with me. Right here. Bam! That's right. A full kitchen. I'm telling you, everything from all the appliances, including the refrigerator to a sink. Usually I won't see this. Even in this price point, it's not always possible to see. If you just go down maybe 100,000 less, you won't even see anything that resembles a kitchen at all. You might get a bedroom, you might not. In this price point, you will get a bedroom and you probably will get a kitchen like this one. This was a hot commodity in terms of the offers that this property received. So that's why, because of this right here, the kitchen. It adds a lot of versatility in terms of having an in-law suite for grandparents or parents. It's a great place to be rented out to generate rental income. So there's just a lot of different selling points to this home. And this is it right here. So we're outside in the backyard. And one thing I do want to highlight is that when you get into this price point, another added benefit is the siding. The exterior of the home is made of top tier quality product. Okay, so the materials are better. You can see that there is cement siding on the back. That's usually all that you'll get in this price point. All the other sides are brick, all right? So you get the best material, and this one really is like 3.5 sided brick. So you can see here on the bottom part, it is brick. So just be aware of that. A lot of new construction in the lower price points, you'll find that it's like, one-sided brick, just the front, and then you got cement siding, hardy plank board on the other 3 sides. But when you get to this price point, you can expect to see 3-sided brick, and then just like add another 100 to 150,000, you might be able to start seeing 4-sided brick completely. Hey, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If there's any other kind of video that you're looking for in terms of houses that are going for certain price points, then please subscribe to my channel because I cover all sorts of videos of houses that are for sale in different price points all across Metro Atlanta. So if you're looking for more of that, make sure to check out my other videos, subscribe down below, and I look forward to seeing you again.